Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the tier list you want to edit. Make sure you are signed in. Once done, switch to edit mode and find the exact tier and item that contains the image you want removed. Click that item's thumbnail to open the item editor pane. This reveals the controls for that card. You're doing this now because direct removal happens at the item level. Preparing the item editor saves time and prevents accidental edits to other cards. Inside the item editor, click the image area or the change image control to reveal options. Then choose the delete or trash icon. Tiermaker typically shows a remove image option. Click it and confirm if prompted. If you want to replace rather than delete, upload a new file now. Make sure to save the item after removal because unsaved edits are lost when you navigate away. Repeat for each item and pause between saves to avoid accidental overwrites. After removing images from all target items, save the overall tier list and reload the list page to confirm the changes. Once verified, export or publish the updated list. If an image still appears, make sure to clear your browser cache and reload. Cached thumbnails often persist. Also check whether the image was hotlinked from an external host. Remove or replace the external source if so. If problems continue, re-edit the specific item.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.